Welcome back to our Skin Hair System Expert series. Today we are breaking down the three most common hair system-based materials: skin, lace, and mono, and helping you understand which one to recommend for different clients.
Let's start with the material characteristics. Skin base: soft, ultra-natural, and easy to apply. The thin PU creates a realistic scalp-like finish, making it ideal for first-time wearers and clients who prioritize a natural hairline and seamless look. PU material is also easy to maintain. Adhesive remover works perfectly. You can check out our cleaning tutorial here. Lace base: lightweight and highly breathable. Perfect for clients who sweat easily during sports and daily activities, live in warm climates, or value maximum comfort. Mono base: strong, durable, and able to hold higher density hair. Smart choice for clients who need higher density and a cost-effective option. One important thing to keep in mind is that lace and mono bases are made with very delicate mesh materials, so they require more careful maintenance. If the mesh isn't cleaned properly over time, buildup can clog the holes, lead to hair breakage, and shorten the lifespan of the hair system. Choosing the right base means better comfort, better results, and happier clients. Want to learn more about base designs or wholesale options? Follow our channel and contact Bono Hair today.